Okay, I am sending lot many things, but commensurate response and action is not coming forward.
Look, I do understand, but the thing is, most of the things is in Hindi. I find it a bit hard to. Uh, I am quite happy to provide you the support the way you want it, but I find it hard to follow
So it
the
can
written.
be copied and it can be translated in English. What's the problem? Nowadays, translators are available.
That I understand. I will try to do the translation, but last 3 or 4 weeks I had been very busy with a few work cover. I mean, like people injured at work and car accidents, and a few people were really struggling to cope with that. So I had been somewhat busy with that, especially with a student coming from India. He was very suicidal and other things. So I had been a bit busy. Probably in the next week I would be able to focus on the tasks what can be done.
Yeah, basically, I was thinking that way because what I intend to say that it more than the task, creating group and adding the people and giving the meeting on every Sunday and repeating the pledge and recording the video, that is more important.
Okay, I will
Because
sort
what
of
is happening,
orient.
because that will be creating a kind of energy, and once that you are sending the video to me and I am uploading on Crime Free Bharat YouTube channel, other people will
Yeah.
watch it and they will be motivated to repeat the same thing.
Okay, I will focus on that. Probably it may take another week for me to clear some of the outstanding issues. Once I finish that, I will focus on that.
Very true, very good. Because say wherever you are getting, whosoever you feel that interested in having a good India, because it is a
Yeah,
total transformation which will be taking place. Because the
I
models
am
of
very much.
everything is already there. The biggest problem is the politicians.
Yes, yes, yes. In
I
fact,
don't know whether you are aware of the present parliament of the 2024. It has become gathering of the criminals basically. Out of 543 members of parliament, 251, that
yeah.
is the 46% are having the criminal background.
Yes, yes, I understand that. I am aware of that. I am aware of that. In fact, if I can, if we can get rid of the politicians, send them to Andaman Islands as the Britishers did before, India would be salvaged.
No, we need not to do that. Let them live in the mainland. The only thing, if we start doing this pledge and downloading the app and becoming the part of the six merit list or merit
Yes,
list
yes,
of adding our own people, merit list of nothing else, right? And
understand.
by doing so, all politicians at all level they will be defeated. They will be defeated
Yes,
as a Panch Sarpanch. They will be defeated as a Parsad, as a mayor, as a Jilla Panchayat Adhyaksh, as a Mukhyamantri, Up Mukhyamantri, and
yes,
as a Vidhayak, so and Sansad. So they will be all political party of all political party and all politician will be defeated by this
yes.
simple measure.
Yeah, yeah, it's
Basically, I would like to, Mr. Srinivasan, put it this way, it is a kind of a Deepak, which will be illuminating the darkness. So, what we are doing, we are fighting with the darkness. Fighting with the darkness is a bad strategy.
yes, yes.
Ignite one lamp, that will be good enough to take care, and it will hold that darkness will disappear in no time.
Yeah,
So let's
I'll try
not
to
let's not
focus on
send the politician to the Andaman Nicobar. Let them live here.
yes,
Let's defeat them by जो है ना just
yes,
taking a pledge of good India.
yeah. I wholeheartedly support you, but I had been somewhat busy at work, and I will focus on that
Since our
probably next
all
week.
communication they are recorded, what is your message
Yeah.
to the our Indian brothers and sisters?
My message will be essentially follow the path of dharma and get rid of all the scoundrels. That's basically it.
So
If they are,
path of dharma is taking place of good India. That's all.
that's it. Yeah, yeah.
Because it is
Dharma,
an easy format which can be done
yeah,
and understood by each one of them.
yeah. Dharma rakshati rakshitaka. In the protection of dharma is our protection.
Right, right,
Not
right.
in arms, not in arms, armaments, or bombs and aircraft carriers and missiles.
Great, 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 great. So, Mr. I look forward for your very active support after a week or so.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.